1956 Hudson Hornet. Average price is $15,403. The low-slung profile gives the 1956 Hudson Hornet a sporty look that other cars simply didn't offer. The step-down construction provided drivers with a lower center of gravity compared to other cars, making it a great choice at the track. The distinctive hood styling stands out as a gorgeous feature of a car that was dominant in stock car racing during the early 1950s, thanks to its low center of gravity and impressive torque figures. A Super 6 engine was used in many 1956 Hudson Hornet models. This engine is an inline-6 layout that measures 308 cubic inches and can produce 175 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. Some of the 1956 Hudson Hornet models used a 320 cubic inch V8 engine that sent 220 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque to the wheels. In either case, drivers had plenty of power on tap for some exciting experiences on the track.